some positivity. Wow, great. Come on, shake your hand. Be happy. Show me your happiness and excitement. Wonderful. And I really appreciate, I think, Dhruv. Wonderful. Thank you for this, huh? Great, great, great. I'm really very happy to see such a large group. So thank you so much for joining my class. And how were you all? How was your day? I hope it's fine. It's perfect. Great day. And here I am to make your evening much more better, much more full of energy, positivity, and of course, colors. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Come on, show me thumbs up. You can write on a chat box. Yes. Huh? Come on, use your fingers. So wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay, great. Avni and Dhruv, thank you. Okay, very quick, huh? You all are very active participants. Wonderful. Thank you so much for these thumbs up. Okay, so before I start, ma'am already told introduction so I'm just going to quickly tell you myself, Shushmita, and I'm your art and craft teacher, you can say that. And I'm just going to give you a brief about our class. So whenever you are done with any step, or you understood the step, you have to show me thumbs up like this, or it's better to show me thumbs up like this. You can see the yellow thumbs up. Okay, and if you really want to say something or ask something, or if you have any doubt, please use your fingers and write it down on a chat box, and I will sure that I will read your questions as much as possible, because it's such a large group. So if I miss your questions, or if I miss your chat, please, I'm so sorry in advance, but I will try my best to read your questions and to give the answers with your names. Okay, so I hope you understood everything. Again, if you understood, see, show me thumbs up. Okay, great. So now let's start. Okay, again, this, very good, Dhruv. Okay, so let's start. So today topic you all know, I know that, but I really want to show you first what exactly we are going to make, and then I'm going to tell you what exactly you need for this class, and I'm going to show you also. And if you have any problem, any doubt, please use your fingers and write it down in the chat box. Okay. Okay, so first of all, topic is, you already told us, huh? Alphabet art. So yes, here we go. See, the beautiful bird, don't you think? It's a cute one, huh? Adorable. Yes, and you can see the 3D leaves. These work are optional. If you have, it is written over there also. So if you want to do 3D leaf like this, if you have material like glue, scissor, and green sheets, then you can do like this. Or if you don't have anything, then we can draw and color it. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful bird with the help of alphabet H. H for horse. Okay, okay, understood? Please show me thumbs up. Come on. And if you really want to make this, if you really want to know how to make this, yeah, you want to learn? Okay, so many questions. Can we use sketch pens? I'm just going to tell you that only. So just I'm going to quickly fix my phone so that you can see my material, so that you can understand what exactly you need for today's class. Okay, so good afternoon. Yes, everyone. Next, I'm so sorry if I miss anyone's questions or query. I'm so sorry. It's such a large group. I'm continuously having so many questions and so many not questions, actually so many chats. I'm so sorry in advance if I miss anyone's. Okay, so here we go. So now you can see the material which you really need. Okay, so so someone has written, ma'am, how are you? I really love this question. So thank you so much for asking me. I'm very good and very happy to see you all, such a large group. Okay, So just join, no problem. I'm just to avoid no problem, dear. If you just join, I'm just starting. Okay, so you need this much material only. So I have already told you the optional thing is these 3D leaves. So if you want to do it like this, then you need green sheet. It's optional. Okay, if you have, you can do like this. Otherwise, I will tell you the second option, that is drawing and coloring. So you need glue, you need scissor, you need green sheet. Okay, for drawing you need to do with your pencil and eraser, of course. And I'm going to use my sketch pen, black sketch pen, so that you can see everything clearly. Okay, you can use any color. Any color means any color. I'm going to use my crayons. You can use pencil colors, oil colors, wax colors, sketch pens, whatever you have, you can use that. Okay, yes, glue is optional. Glue is for glue, scissor, and this green sheet is for this. So maybe some of you are very small, that's why I have written it's optional, because if you are not comfortable with cutting part, yes, you can skip that and you can just do the drawing. Okay, and you need one sheet for base. Okay, so are you ready? I hope you all are ready with your material. So if yes, please quickly show me some thumbs up. Okay, if you don't have blue or a green sheet, I have already told you it's optional. You can skip that if you don't have these things. Okay, if you don't have these things, please listen to me carefully. Please listen to me carefully. The same question I'm receiving, that I don't have glue, I don't have this and that. Please listen to me carefully. If you don't have these material, it's perfectly fine. You can skip this and we are going to make beautiful leaves, draw and color. Okay, instead of cutting and pasting, we can draw and color. So don't worry, it's perfectly fine if you don't have material, these material. Okay, so can I start? Please show me thumbs up if you are ready. And yes, whatever color you have, you can use that, whatever color, dear. Okay, so let's begin without wasting any time. So here we go. So first of all, because it's an art class and I really want to use art language only. So when we keep a sheet like this, yes dear, you can use color pencil. So don't have glue. Arav, I have already told you, if you don't have glue, skip that. I will tell you whenever I'm going to start, I will tell you step by step everything. Okay, so don't worry, just listen, concentrate in the class. Please, now, please, it's a request. It's very difficult to read everyone's question and concentrate on my class also. So now, please, it's a request. Please concentrate in the class what I'm going to tell you. Okay. So now I'm going to use art language. So when we keep our sheet like this is called portrait size. This is called landscape. Portrait, landscape. Okay, so right now we need to keep our sheet like this in a portrait size. So be ready with your portrait size sheet. And one more thing which is very important, which I really want to share with you, that I am using my waste material. Waste material. I have so many papers, so many sheets like this. See, one-sided plain and one-sided written matter, and it is not useful. So I am going to make it useful. So it's the best part if you are going to do any craft or artwork which need only one-sided plane, then please use your waste sheet. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to do with my sketch pen. Okay, so first of all, I have already told you we are going to make beautiful bird, a cute one, with the help of alphabet H. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to use my center of this sheet. Make a standing line and alphabet H. Yes. Okay. And please look here. Observe first the size of my alphabet. Why I'm making such a big H? Because we need, according to my page, we need at least this much big bird. Okay. So according to your page, your alphabet should be. Okay. The size of your alphabet should be according to your page. Please remember this. Okay, great. Toshi, thank you so much for your thumbs up. Huh? Great. Okay. Now, after that, I'm going to make one curved line from here and going to continue like this till here. Okay. So please look here, everyone. With a beautiful curve, huh? You can see the curve, the roundness. Great. If you have any doubt, any problem, and I'm not receiving any query till now, and it's wonderful. It means each one of you are concentrating. Your concentration level is perfect, outstanding, very good, wonderful. Okay, no doubt. Okay, great. So after this, I'm going to make her wings from here, from this top. Okay, so please look here. So just for small curve lines like this, like this. Try to give beautiful curve with equal size. And you can see again a roundness. Huh? I have given a beautiful round over here. See? Great. Okay. Now I hope this much is done. So whenever you are done now, you have to show me thumbs up. Okay. Now I'm going to make her tail. So I'm going to use this area for tail. Okay, this area. Just with the help of two curved line again. One. And just join it. Two. One and two. Just join it with this wing. Please, if you made a mistake, no problem. You have that power just like a Superman. Na? Use it. Which power? That you can erase your mistakes. So please use your eraser and rub it and make it again. We always learn from our mistakes. So don't worry. Now, going to make one more layer over here. So for that, just to give a little volume, straight line inside this area, the wing area, and then make a curve again, just to give a little volume to it. Okay, so I think body is done. So I'm now going to add beak, beautiful one with 1, 2, and 3. We can sing a song, huh? Any poem related to this beautiful bird. We can dedicate that, huh? So maybe I'm just thinking about any poem or song. Okay, so now eyes, and we are going to make a beautiful one. See the beautiful eye. Okay, this is so easy. Yes, and why it is easy? Do you have any idea? Because you are concentrating, you are just listening to me, and you are just following me all the steps, huh? So it's wonderful. That's why everything is easy for you. Great, it's your concentration level. So I will appreciate you. Okay, so now eyes. First of all, going to start from here. Please observe everything. Okay? And yes, it's easy if you follow me, if you really going to concentrate. You can see the area where I have made that curve line. So you have to use this area only. Now, because I'm going to make a big curve line over here, from here to here. I'm going to show you from the closer also so that you can understand. See. Okay. And it's looking cute. And it's a different way to make eyes. Huh? It's a beautiful one. Okay. Now going to divide this area with the help of one curved line like this. A little curved line. And if dear, don't raise your hand, just write it down on a chat box. Now, two beautiful small circles. Okay, done, so many. Okay, no problem if you want to make your own eye. Yes, you can make it your own way, no problem. Done, so many done, huh? Great, yes, I can show you from the closer. See. Okay, eyes are done. Okay, so when we are going to fill black color over here, na, then it will look good. So don't worry about that. Okay, now I'm going to add legs. For legs, it's a simple one. Just make these two line. Now, 3 lines like this. Okay, someone has written he or she did not understood how to make eye. Okay, I will tell you over here on this sheet. Okay, so I'm going to tell you again how to make this beautiful eye. So please look here. First, you have to make this kind of curve line, curve, curve, and curve. Curve, curve, and curve. Okay, then curve line, divide, make two beautiful circle, and we are going to fill it. So when we are going to do the coloring part, then we are going to fill it. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so we are done with our beautiful bird. Now I am going to add branch from here, from this corner to this corner. Okay, so I'm going to use these two corners for making branch. And if you have more space, you can add more branches. Otherwise, I think one is also perfect. So I'm going to start from this corner. Please look here. So with the help of these curve line, and you have to overlap her legs so that it will look like she is about to sit. Okay, so you have to overlap and just give a beautiful curves and like this. See. Okay. Now make V shape. Ma'am, please repeat. Okay, what I have done, just started from this corner with the help of curve line. Yes, you can do the outlining, but after the coloring work. then only. Always remember, whenever you want to outline any work, please do it after coloring. Now, after V, again, this. So it's a method how you can make these branches. Again, a V. And then continue like this. And you can see I'm maintaining the distance between both the two lines so that it will look beautiful. Yes. And it's simple, V. Okay. And why I did not use any, I did not make any branch over here because I really want to make fruits over here. That is these beautiful cherries. Don't you think it's looking beautiful? Yeah, yummy. So great. Okay, so now I'm going to make over here. If you have more space, you can add more. For branches also, if you have more space, if you want to make more branches, yes, you can. Okay, so I'm going to use this area cherries. So first of all, I am going to make these curve line tree with different size, you can see. Okay, and now I'm going to add this circle so that it will look like a cherry, and you can see the size. Please make it according to your page. Okay, so I'm going to make it a little big so that when I'm going to color it, it will look beautiful. And maybe you can add more if you want. Like this, like this. It is right here, dear. What I have done after making this beautiful, cute bird, I have made these branches from this corner to this corner, okay? And add some beautiful cherries. Yes, yes, you can. You can make cherries on her mouth so that it will look, she's holding it. So yes, you can if you want. I'm not going to make it because it's, I don't have much space and I don't want to fill this space. I really want to focus, give focus to this beautiful bird, okay? So if you have space, then only, otherwise leave it. Just make cherries like this, okay? You can add more if you have more space. And please, after 30 seconds, now I'm going to pause, and after 30 seconds, I'm going to tell you the next step. So till then, if you have any problem, any query, please write it down on a chat box. Use your fingers. Great. No query. Wonderful. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about that optional thing. Please repeat full every step again. Okay, I will repeat. We have to wait. Okay, I will. So the optional thing is, so now after this drawing, if you don't have blue, green sheet and this scissor, if you don't have, please no worry, do not worry. What you can do, please listen to me very carefully. If you don't have these three material, glue, green sheet and scissor, glue, green sheet and scissor, if you don't have, okay, dear, right now I am concentrating on my class, so it's a request. If you are writing on a chat box, it's difficult to read it now. Okay, so just wait, let me finish, then I will come to you, your chats. Okay, so now if you don't have these three material, it's perfectly fine. Those who are not having these three material, what you can do, you can add leaves. Okay, you can draw. So just add some beautiful leaves of your choice. So it's a If you want, you can make like this, a big one, because we have made these cherries, and I think cherries having these kind of leaves. So yes, you can add these kind of leaves and fill your space. So I'm going to tell you again, I have made 4. If you have more space, you can add more, or I'm going to tell you over here, just make center line like this, curve line, and then again a curve line, and join both the lines like this. See? So those who are not having scissors, glue and green sheet, you can draw and color. It's simple. And those who are having, those who want to cut and paste, those who want to do this technique, you can be ready. Please be ready with your green sheet and glue. But not now. First, we are going to color it. Okay. So be ready with your colors. And before we start, I really want to add one more thing. Okay, one more thing. That is, you can see this light effect on these cherries. Yes, I'm going to wait. Don't worry. I'm still not doing anything. See, my hand is empty. So don't worry. Continue with your work. Okay. So you can see these light effect. So because of this, it's looking so real and it's looking beautiful. Okay. So for these light effect, what you can do, you can make these kind of boxes with your pencil and leave it as it is. I mean, leave it as it is, white. Okay. And the whole area you have to cover with, of course, red color, beautiful red color, bright color, and you can see. So you have to leave these boxes. You can see I have made with the little curve. Okay. So now those who are done with their drawing, be ready with your color. Now I'm going to tell you about coloring. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you about coloring, how to color it. And when you are going to color it, I'm going to repeat every step for those students who are late. So I'm going to use this sheet. Maybe I'm going to not going to waste any sheet. So let me tell you what exactly you need to follow for your coloring. So whatever color you have, you can use that first of all. Now the point is how to color. Okay. So whenever you are going to color anything, anything means anything, please do not use multiple direction. It's wrong. This is wrong. How to color? Use single direction, yeah, like this. If you have started like this, you have to finish like this. Which one is looking good? The first one or the second one? Please write it down on a chat box. This is right. Which one is looking good? Second one, yes. So try to use single direction. Okay. Now the second point is, this one is the first technique. Now the second technique which you need to follow, your color should be within the boundary. So for example, if you are going to color this leaf, so don't, first of all, you have to use single direction. If you have started like this, finish it like this, but be very careful. Oops, see, so it's wrong. You have to finish it within the boundaries, okay? Single direction. This is wrong. Your color should be within the boundaries, okay? Now the third technique which you need to follow, you have to fill it properly. If you are using single direction, wonderful. If your colors are within the boundaries, very good. But if you fill it like this, you can see these white portion. Huh? Please do not leave that. Just fill it properly. It is very important to fill it properly. Okay? Single direction. Your color should be within the boundaries and see. Now it is looking good. Okay? So I have told you 3 techniques. Single direction, you have to use single direction. Your color should be within the boundaries and you have to fill your area perfectly. Okay? Please do not leave any white portion. Clear? Please show me thumbs up if 3 points are clear to you. Show me thumbs up. Wonderful. Great, great, great. So now please start coloring. You can color, you can choose any color of your choice. I'm going to show you the color which I have used for my bird, blue, yellow and red. So if you want, you can do it multiple color or single color. It's your choice. Okay. Branches, of course, brown color. Cherries, leave this box. You can do the background. If you have more space, you can add something over here also, like clouds, sun, or a rainbow. If you have a space, I don't have much space, so I'm not going to make it. But if you have, yes, you can. Okay. So see, coloring part might take time. It's really time taking. So you can do after this class also, and you can share your work, but not now. Okay, it will take time. So, but you can start now because I'm going to quickly repeat everything for 30 to 40 seconds, and then I will tell you how to do these 3D leaves. So those who want to follow this, you can start coloring, and I know you cannot finish like right now, but you can continue after this class. So don't worry, start coloring. Those who are done with their drawings, okay? And those who are not, please look here very carefully. Yes, I can show my coloring. See, over here I have used a pencil colors. So whatever color you have, you can use that. Okay. I have used 2 colors, 2 color combination. You can choose your own color scheme. It's up to you. Okay. Now let's start. So I'm going to quickly tell you, please look here. Or we are going to share our video also, this class video. So don't worry about that. But let me tell you again, because I think we have time. Okay, great. So now, first of all, for example, it's your sheet. So first of all, we are going to use alphabet H according to your page. So you have to make this much big alphabet H. Now, make a curved line from here to here. Give a beautiful curve, beautiful curve. Now I'm going to add wings from here. Small curve line. And you can see I'm going to follow again a round shape. So try to make it in a roundness. It's very important. It will give your work beautiful effect. Yes, I can show it. Still, I'm doing the same. So please look here. Those who have any doubt, please look here. Okay. After wings, I'm going to again give a volume to it. So for that, I'm going to make this standing line and then curve. Now, going to make tail just with the help of 2 lines, 1 and 2. Let me, Avni, I will tell you how to make 3D leaves. Don't worry, after this I will tell you. Okay, till then you can color your drawing. I'm going to give you time also now for coloring. But if it is incomplete, you can complete after this class also. So don't worry, start coloring. Don't waste your time. Great. Okay. Now I'm going to add beak. with the help of 3 lines. Now beautiful eye, curve, curve, eyes, divide, add 2 beautiful circles, legs, 3 lines. Your bird is ready. And now you can start making branch from here and overlap her legs so that it will look like she is about to sit. V shape, V, V. You can add more branches if you have more space. Add cherries. It should be a little big one according to your page. Add leaves if you want to draw, if you don't have green sheet, scissors or glue. So that's it. And you can color like this. So I'm going to show you my bird, the proper color. So now, yes, dear, it's here. Vrinda, please look here. I'm showing you that only, okay? So now what is next? So I'm going to tell you how to make these 3D leaves, okay? So for that you need these 3 material. So be ready. So if you have chart paper or whatever you have right now, you can use that. You can use your green chart paper or a sheet. So first of all, take your sheet, okay, and you need a strip. Cut this much a strip from your green sheet. Total you need 5, total 10 leaves. You can see over here. I have used over here this area and this area for leaves, 3D leaves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have used 2 shades of leaf, dark and light green. So if you have, you can use that, or single color is also perfect. Okay. And those who really want to do 3D leaves, and if you don't have green sheet, then what you can do, you can use your white sheet, cut it and color it, then paste it. Okay, so you can use your white sheet, cut it, color it, paste it. Okay, so you need 10 sheet, total 10, 5 is for this corner and 5 for this corner. Okay, so let's start. You need one strip, fold it from the center like this. Why we are folding? So that we can get, I will tell you the technique. You have to draw only one leaf, and with the help of that leaf only you can make 9 leaves. Okay, total 10 leaves you need to draw once only. Okay, so what I have done, take your strip, fold it. Now it's open side, it's closer side. So from the closer side, I'm going to draw half leaf, this much long, half leaf. And you need to give a beautiful fold, so you can press it, this area you can press it. Okay, okay, you want to see, many of you has written, please show the final picture. So over here you can see. Okay, so now I'm going to cut. Those who are using scissor, those who are doing their cutting part, please be very careful. Or you can take help also. For the smaller ones, yes, you can take help. Now I'm going to cut these leaves like this. See, now I'm going to open it. It's simple, yeah? And with the help of only one leaf, I'm going to cut 9 leaves. How? Please look here. You can keep it like this, cut, or if you are not comfortable, you can draw. But I can cut like this only, so I'm going to cut. See, 2. Total we need 10 leaves. Okay, so I'm going to repeat this again and again so that we can have 10 leaves. Ma'am, can you repeat? Yes, I'm still. Draw your leaf. Take a strip, fold it from the center. Draw your leaf. Okay, and just cut, and then you can use that leaf only and make it again and again, and this folding technique will give you same size these leaves. See, so I have right now 3 leaves, so at least I need 5 so that I can tell you one area, and when you know the technique, then you can make another side. Strip, fold it, make a sharp fold. Brought a real leaf from plants. Yes, you can, but it is going to dry and spoil your work. Okay, so, but if you really want, you can, I will advise, please use then dry leaves only. Okay, or maybe, yes, you can try. It will look good, but then you need to choose your leaf. I'm still repeating the same thing. Tell how to color the cherries. Yes, sure, I will tell you. Yes, you can use dry leaves instead of using these green sheet. Yes, you can paste a real dry leaf. Okay, so now I have these 5 leaves. See, so I can do one side, so I'm going to tell you now. I have told you folding, drawing and cutting technique. Now I'm going to tell you how to paste it. Okay, so please look here. Please look here. So you need 5 leaf for one side. Make a sharp fold. Okay, you can see these crease lines over here. This fold. Now you have to apply glue over here. See, over here. Okay, just hold your work, hold your leaf like this, and you have to apply glue a little bit only over here on this fold. And I'm going to use this corner first. Use this corner, hold it, hold it, hold it for 30 seconds. Yes, I will tell after pasting technique, I will tell you how to color cherries. Till then you can color any other thing, okay, like leaf or branches, or you can do these 3D leaves. Let me finish this step, then I will tell you, okay? Now, after 30 seconds, you can see it's standing, okay? So first of all, you need to cover corners, which is very important. Now again, take another leaf. Yes, I'm telling you again and again, so don't worry, please look here. So where I'm going to apply my glue? Over here. Now I'm going to cover this corner like the same. Hold it for 30 seconds. Nidhi, okay, I will show you the final result. Let me finish this step. See, again it is standing, you can see. Now, apply glue. Again, I'm going to use this corner, but after coloring work, you have to do this step, okay? Not now, but you can try on your rough sheet if you want. Hold it for a second. Yes, you can use watercolor if you are comfortable with watercolor. Yes, dear, you can use. Whatever color you have now, you can use that. Watercolor, crayons, pencil colors, sketch pens, poster colors. See, again, this corner, I'm just going to do corners, okay? And now we have only center space left. I'm going to paste it on a center, and that's it. So I am done with one side, and see, now the center. And here we go. You can see 3D leaf. Okay, so I'm done with one corner. So maybe I'm going to do this corner after coloring and everything. So whenever you are done with your coloring, do these 3D leaves, those who are having material, and those who are not having material, it's perfectly fine. Now I'm going to tell you how to color. Okay, how to color, because many of you have written how to color cherries. Okay, so cherries, for these light effect, going to make these kind of boxes over here with the curve line. Curve line is very important. Curve, see the curve. So these are not straight line, these are curved line. Leave these boxes as it is, leave it white, okay, as it is. And then whatever color you are using, I'm going to use my red color, so crayons colors, so just color it like this. Leave that particular box as it is, white, and you will get your cherries. See, okay, so I have done these drawing with my sketch pen, but I am sure that you are doing your drawing with your pencil, so then it will give a nice effect. And you can rub these boxes after coloring. Okay, and for bird, you can choose any color of your choice. It's up to you. It's totally up to you. So now I am done. It's done. So here we go with the final work. So if you want, you can click a photo or yes, you can make an outline, but after coloring only. You have to finish coloring first, do the coloring first, then you can make outline. Not before that, okay? Those who are not doing these green leaves, the option is you can draw leaves, then you can color, that is also fine. And those who are doing these green leaf, that is also fine. And if you have space and you want to draw leaves, you can draw also. Add few leaves, you can add few leaves over here. You can add more branches. Can you? Okay, so any doubt? Can you do the both? Yes, you can. Okay, so I have already told you that after these leaves, yes, you can do You can make leaves if you have space, okay, then only. It is right here, dear. Great. I'm so sorry if I miss anyone's question or chat. So, how to draw leaves? Okay, you know, you want to know how to draw leaves. So I'm going to tell you over here. Please look here, everyone. So first of all, you need, for example, it's a branch. Okay, so what you need to do, just make one center line like this with a curve, and then again a curved line, one more curved line, and join both the lines like this. And it's simple. So I'm going to repeat it again. Please look here carefully. Center line, curve line, and join. Okay. So I hope it's done. Great. So you can hold your work. It's impossible to take everyone's name, but yes, I can see you all. So you can hold your work. Whatever you have done till now, you can hold and I can see your work. Okay. No paper leaf. It's perfectly fine. You can draw and color. It's perfectly fine. Okay. Toshi, Dhruv, wonderful work. Great. And I'm Vaishnavi. It's outstanding, dear. Very good. I really appreciate if you are going to do very neat and clean work. Okay. And I can see many of you are just concentrating, very busy with your work. Soham, very good, but because of your virtual background, I cannot see properly. But whatever I have seen, it's wonderful. Reena, wonderful. Dhriti, very good. Oh my God, you all are already an artist, huh? Wonderful work.